Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. So today's video is going to be my unboxing of January's Allure Beauty Box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so we have our little card in here, and it looks like they're celebrating their 10-year, I guess, anniversary. Yeah. Anyway, so cute little card here. It does have the prices inside, which I really do like. Alright, so first up, I'm just going to follow what the little magazine says. So first up, from a brand called, I'm going to butcher that, so there's the brand. I think it's Mayleys, maybe? I don't know. Anyways, this is their overnight toning body whip. So it's an actual body cream. I thought it was a moisturizer, but no, this is a body cream. The retail value on this is $39, and this is their full size. Then there's a product in here from Ciate London. This is their Extraordinary Translucent Powder. This retails for $22, and again, this is another full-size product. I was a little disappointed to see that this is the only makeup product that is in the box. So they have their super shiny packaging, and then of course it's just kind of like just a white kind of powder. It's supposed to be translucent, but that looks awfully white, so I'll see how that works. And then we have a shampoo and conditioner, and they're both from the same brand, Monday. So we have the shampoo is right here, and then the conditioner over here. The retail value on these are $7.99, but these are not the full size. These are either probably sample products, I would assume. So two little samples. It is nice that they sent the shampoo and conditioner. Some of the times if you get samples in boxes, they'll only send one or the other. I've never gotten both, which is really nice. And then there is a perfume from Juliet, has a gun. That is the brand. I don't know what the scent is. I don't know if the scent is Juliet. It might be. It says Juliet on the box, but I also know that's the brand's name, so I don't know. I don't know what the scent or the name of this is. I'm gonna try it out. But this is a little sample size. Ooh, it's a very interesting scent. It smells spicy. I don't know how to describe that smell, but anyways, let me read the magazine. Says, this fragrant pulls off a balancing act between sweet and mysterious with a warm cherry note spiced by pink pepper. The pink pepper is probably what I'm smelling. The overall effect is wintry and sexy, perfect for warming up snowy nights. I don't know if I'd say that's sexy, but it is a very like peppery smell, and not like in a bad way, just kind of like hits you and you're like, that's spicy. So the retail value on this is $150. Obviously this is not the full size, so this is just a little sample of that. $150 for that. I'm sorry, but that is just not my type of scent, and I would not pay $150 for that. And then the last thing in here is from Ahava, I think is how you say that. And this is their Purifying Mud Mask. This is the full size, and this retails for $39. I've gotten Ahava products before in subscription boxes, but I haven't actually gotten one in a while, so I'm curious about this. Alright, so that's everything in the box, so now I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price so that you guys know the overall value, and then after that I will do a final run through and let you guys know my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value of my box is $100, and how I got that price is I only tally up the prices of the full-size products. I don't include the sample sizes because I don't know what the retail value on those would be. I mean, they tell you what the full size would be, but that's not how much, the sample is. But anyway, so $100. So that's pretty good considering what I paid for the box, which is I think around $25 plus tax. So anyway, so final thoughts on everything. I will say I'm not like super thrilled by this box. And honestly, I don't know how much longer I'm going to stay subscribed to Allure. It's just a personal thing. Like, I believe that you get your money's worth, but the products that I've been getting are not stuff that I really would use. So let me go through the box. So we got a mud mask, which is a skincare product. Then we got a body whip, which another kind of skincare. And then the only makeup product that is in the box is a setting powder, which I don't mind getting setting powders every now and then, but yeah, I have a lot of setting powders, and I've gotten a Ciate London one before in a different subscription box, and it's fine. I don't mind getting them. But if that's the only makeup product in the box, I'm really just not thrilled. And then we got a sample perfume, and then samples of 2 hair products, so a conditioner and a shampoo. So I don't know. I'm going to probably stay subscribed for a little bit longer, but honestly, just for me personally, this box just wasn't worth it. And it has nothing to do with like not feeling like I got my money's worth, because the value is definitely there, but the products that I got are just not products that I would really... There's nothing in the box that really makes it worth it, in my opinion. And again, it's just, I am someone who likes a lot of makeup and not very much skincare. And the way Allure Beauties have been since I've subscribed has all been about skincare. And yeah. But I think if you're someone who loves skincare over makeup, I think this subscription would be for you. But anyways, I'm going to continue to stay subscribed for a little bit longer. But there you go, guys. That is going to do it for today. That is my unboxing of January's Allure Beauty Box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because that really does help my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of this box this month. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!